Good morning students. Previous session we have completed question number 1 from practice set 21. Now today we will start with question number 2 from practice set 21. So this is question number 2 from your textbook. Using the measures of the angles given in the figure alongside, find the measures of the remaining 3 angles. Now as you can see here, one figure is given and the measures of some angles are given. You will find out the measures of the remaining angles. Okay, as you can see here, in this figure the measure of angle EOF is given, that is 4y. Yes, measure of angle AOB is given, that is 8y, and measure of angle COD is given, that is 6y, and the remaining angles are measure of angle AOF. This angle is not given, so we will find out this angle. Then measure of angle BOC, this angle is not given, so we will find out this angle, and measure of angle DOE, this angle. So these 3 angles which are not given, that we will find out now. Okay, so now let's start. Now as you can see here, in the solution, first we will write down, see this, measure of angle BOC is equal to measure of angle FOE. Yes, where is measure of angle BOC? This angle. Measure of angle BOC is equal to measure of angle EOF, this angle. Yes, why they are similar, why they are equal, is equal to 4y is given. Why? Because measure of angle EOF, that we know, it is given in the question, that is 4y, correct? And why is the measure of angle BOC also 4y? Because they are correct, they are vertically opposite angles, and in the previous session we have studied vertically opposite angles are equally measures. Yes, they are similar. So now measure of angle BOC is equal to measure of angle FOE is equal to 4y. This is equal to this angle is equal to 4y, because in the question measure of angle EOF is given, that is 4y. So BOC also 4y, because they are vertically opposite angles, and you will write down reason also in the bracket, as you can see here. See, this is the reason, it is written here in the bracket, vertically opposite angles, correct? Now the next step, that is, as you can see here, measure of angle AOB plus measure of angle BOC plus measure of angle COD is equal to measure of angle AOD. Means measure of angle AOB, this angle, plus measure of angle BOC, this angle, plus measure of angle COD is equal to measure of angle AOD, this angle, correct? So just now we have seen this angle, that is AOB, BOC plus COD is equal to this whole measure of angle AOD, correct? So measure of angle AOB plus measure of angle BOC plus measure of angle COD is equal to measure of angle AOD. Yes, now the next step is, yes, as you can see here, measure of angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because measure of a straight angle, correct? This angle, measure of angle AOD, this completely, this angle is equal to 180 degree. Yes, this is a straight angle, that is measure of angle AOD is a straight angle, so measure of a straight angle is 180 degree, right? So measure of angle AOD, we know that is 180 degree. In the bracket you will write down measure of straight angle, that's why it is 180 degree. Then next step is, these only measure of angle AOB plus measure of angle BOC and measure of angle COD is equal to measure of angle AOD, correct? Now we will put the values, as you can see here. What is the measure of angle AOB? See here, it is given in the question, it is given, that is 8y, so we will write down 8y, that is measure of angle AOB is 8y. What is the measure of angle BOC? That is, it is not given in the question, but in the starting only we are written that EOF is equal to BOC. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angle. So now we know the measure of angle BOC. Yes, what is the measure of angle BOC? Correct, that is measure of angle BOC is equal to 4y, right? So we will write down here, this is 8y plus 4y plus measure of angle COD. This is given in the question, that is 6y. Now we will put the values. Understood till here? This 8y plus 4y plus 6y is equal to 180 degree, because this measure of this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to measure of this full angle, that is measure of angle AOD, which is equal to 180 degree, as measure of angle AOD is straight angle, so its measure is 180 degree. So we will put the values. 8y plus 4y plus 6y is equal to 180 degree, right? So next step now. Okay, as you can see here, in the previous step we are written 8y plus 4y plus 6y is equal to 180 degree. Now we will add this 8 plus 4, yes, plus 6. 6 plus 4, 10, plus 8, 18, that is, so we will write down addition here, that is 18y, correct? Why we are written here 18y? 8y plus 4y plus 6y is equal to, yes, do the addition. 8 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to, correct, 18. So we will write down 18y is equal to 180 degree, which is given here. So that we will write down as it is, correct? Now 18y is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to, in the next step, as you can see here, y is equal to this 18, it will go here on right hand side, so it becomes divide, right? So 180. Now see here, this step, y is equal to 180 divided by 18. Yes, this 18 it will go on right hand side, so it becomes division. So 180 divided by 18. Now do the division here. 180 divided by 18 is 18 ones are 18, 18 tens are, correct, 180. So what is the value of y? Y is equal to 10, correct. Now we got the value of y, that is 10. So y is equal to 10 degree, right? Now I hope you are clear till here. Yes, in here we are written in the 8y plus 4y plus 6y, that is 18y. So here we are written at 18y. 180 degree as it is here we are written. Then y is equal to 180 divided by 18. So 180 divided by 18 is 10, right? So y is equal to 10. Now we will see the next step. Yes, as y is equal to 10. Okay, we got the answer, that is y is equal to 10, right? Now we will put this in these measures which are given. Yes, in the figures, as you can see here, this is given 4y, this is given 8y, and this is given 6y. Now we got the value of y, that is 10, that we will put in this. Okay, so 4y means 4 multiplied by, in place of y we will take 10, correct? So 4 multiplied by 10, that is 40 degree, means this angle is of 40 degree. Next 6y is given, correct? This is given 6y. So 6 multiplied by 10, y we know, that is 10. So 6 multiplied by 10 is 6 tens are 60, correct? So this is 60 degree. Understood? Once we will get the value of y, we will put this value in the measures which are given in the figure, that is 8y, 6y and 4y. Now here we got 4y is equal to 40 and 6y is equal to 60. Now one angle is remaining. Yes, which angle is remaining? Correct, that is 8y. Now that we will see. Yes, so now as you can see here, this is 8y. So 8 into, again y we know, that is 10. So 8 multiplied by 10, correct. 8 into 10 is, right, 80 degrees. So this is 80. So 4y means 40, 8y means 80 and 6y means 60 degree. Okay, I hope you are clear till here. Now measure of angle AOB is equal to measure of angle DOE. Yes, where is AOB? As you can see here, this is AOB is equal to measure of angle DOE. Why they are equal? Correct. Tell me the reason why they are equal. They are vertically opposite angles. Yes, you have studied about vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equally measured. So measure of angle AOB is equal to measure of angle EOD, or you can write down DOE, is equal to 80 degree. Yes, because we got this is 8y means 80, correct. So this angle is also 80 degree now, right? Now we'll write down the next pair of vertically opposite angles. This is the first pair of vertically opposite angle, that is AOB is vertically opposite to which angle? EOD. So measure of angle AOB is 80 degree, that's why measure of angle EOD also 80 degree. Now the next vertically opposite angle is measure of angle BOC. See, this angle BOC is vertically opposite to which angle? Correct, EOF, right. So this EOF is equal to 4y. 4y means what? 40 degree, right. So this is also 40 degree. As you can see here, measure of angle BOC is equal to measure of angle FOE is equal to 40 degree, right. So this angle is equal to this angle is equal to 40 degree. Now one more pair is remaining, that we will write down. Yes. Now the third pair of vertically opposite angle, that is measure of angle COD. This angle is vertically opposite to which angle? Correct, AOF, this angle. Yes, and COD is given, that is 6y. So what is 6y? 6 multiplied by 10, that is 60 degree, right. So measure of angle COD plus measure of angle is equal to measure of angle AOF is equal to 60 degree. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. In the bracket you will write down reason, vertically opposite angles. So in this way we got the values, or we got the measures of the remaining 3 angles. Okay, I hope you are clear with question number 2. Once again we will revise this answer. So in question number 2, the measures of some angles are given. We will find out the remaining 3 angles. Yes, from the figure we know the measure of angle EOF is given 4y, this angle. Measure of angle AOB is given 8y, and measure of angle COD is given, that is 6y, right. Now we will find out the remaining angles, that is measure of angle AOF, this angle, which is not given. Measure of angle BOC we will find out, which is not given, and measure of angle COE we will find out, which is not given, correct. So in the solution, yes, as you can see here, in the solution first we'll start from measure of angle BOC is equal to measure of angle FOE. See this angle. Measure of angle EOF is equal to measure of angle BOC. Why they are equal? Because they are vertically opposite angles, right. So in the bracket you will write down vertically opposite angles. So measure of angle BOC is equal to measure of angle FOE is equal to 4y. Now why I have written here 4y? Because in the question this measure is given 4y, correct. So this is also 4y, because they are vertically opposite, so their measure should be equal. That's why measure of angle BOC is equal to measure of angle FOE is equal to 4y degree, right. Vertically opposite angles. Now in the next step, as you can see here, in the next step, measure of angle AOB, see this angle, plus measure of angle BOC, this angle, plus measure of angle COD, this angle, is equal to this full measure of angle AOD, correct. Yes, measure of angle AOD is equal to measure of angle AOB plus measure of angle BOC plus measure of angle COD, right. So we have written this, then we will put the values. We know the measure of angle AOB, that is 8y, which is given. Measure of angle BOC, it is not given in the figure, but first only we got, that is 4y. Why? Because it is vertically opposite. So if EOF is 4y means BOC also 4y, correct. So this is 4y and this is 6y, that is COD is given 6y, right, which is equal to measure of angle AOD. Now what is the measure of angle AOD? Yes, the measure of angle AOD is equal to 180 degree, correct, because this is measure of straight angle. Yes, what is the measure of the straight angle? That is 180 degree, and this AOD is a straight angle, so its measure is 180 degree, right? So measure of angle AOB plus measure of angle BOC plus measure of angle COD is equal to measure of angle AOD, yes, which is straight angle, that is 180 degree. Now the next step is, as you can see here, measure of angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. Yes, because measure of a straight angle is 180 degree. So measure of angle AOD is 180 degree. Now again I have written this step here. Yes, which we have seen previously, measure of angle AOB plus measure of angle BOC plus measure of angle COD. As you can see here, measure of angle AOB plus measure of angle BOC plus measure of angle COD is equal to measure of angle AOD, right? So now we will put the values. Yes, what is the measure of angle AOB? See in the figure, AOB is given 8y, so we will write down here 8y, correct. Now what is the measure of angle BOC? See in the figure, BOC, yes, which is opposite to EOF. So this is 4y, means this also 4y, correct. So we will put this 4y here, that is, see, as you can see here, 4y. Then what is the measure of angle COD? See here, this is COD. What it is given? 6y, correct. So we will write down here 6y. So 8y plus 4y plus 6y is equal to 180 degree. Why I have written here 180 degree? Because which is equal to measure of angle AOD, and measure of angle AOD is equal to 180 degree as it is a straight angle. So 8y plus 4y plus 6y is equal to 180 degree. I hope you are clear till here. Now we will see the next step. Yes. So 8y plus 4y plus 6y is equal to 180 degree. Now we will do the addition. 8y plus 4y plus 6y. Do the addition. 8 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to, right, 18y. So we have written it here, 18y is equal to 180. We will write down as it is. In the next step, y is equal to this 18. It will go on right hand side, correct. So it becomes divide. That is 180 divided by 18. That we can cancel it. 18 ones are 18, 18 tens are 180, right? So y is equal to 10 degree, correct. Now we got the value of y. Yes, we got the measure of y, that is 10 degree. Now we will put this y, measure of y, in this y, in this, yes, measures which are given in the figure, that is 4y, 8y and 6y. So yes, this is the next step. Y is equal to 10. Yes, we got this answer, y is equal to 10 degree. Now we will put this value in 4y, 6y and 8y. 4y means 4 multiplied by 10, that is 40 degree. 6y means 6 multiplied by 10, that is 60 degree, right? So this 4y means what? 40 degree, correct. 6y means what? 60 degree, correct. Now which is remaining? Correct, 8y. So there also we will put the value. So this is 8y, means 8 multiplied by 10, that is 80 degree, right. So this is 80 degree. Understood till here? 4y means 40 degree, 8y means 80 degree and 6y means 60 degree. Now we will write down the pairs of opposite, vertically opposite angles. Yes, we'll start from this angle, angle AOB. See this angle, angle AOB is vertically opposite to which angle? Correct, DOE, this angle. So if AOB is equal to 8y means 80 degree, then what is the measure of this DOE? That is also 80 degree, correct. So as you can see here, measure of angle AOB is equal to measure of angle DOE is equal to 80 degree. In the bracket you will write down vertically opposite angles. Yes. So if this is 80 degree, so this is also 80 degree. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Now which is the second pair of vertically opposite angle? See here, measure of angle BOC, which is equal to which angle? Correct, EOF, this angle, right? So if measure of angle BOC is 40 degree, then what is the measure of EOF? This is also 40 degree. Yes. So this 40 and this is also 40 because they are vertically opposite angles. Right, now which is the next pair? Correct, these. Measure of angle COD, which is equal to which angle? Measure of angle AOF. Yes. See here. So measure of angle COD is equal to measure of angle AOF. This angle is equal to this angle is equal to 60 degree because this is 6y means 60 degree. So this AOF is also 60 degree. I hope you are clear with the second sum. Okay. So today we have completed question number 2 from practice set 21. In the next session we will start with question number 3 from practice set 21. Thank you so much.